Dr. Mohamed Osman is at the forefront of redefining Africa's engagement with climate resilience, with a particular focus on Somalia. His work manifests in tangible impacts at the community level. A seasoned international professional, Dr. Osman's expertise spans over 20 countries, reaching from the Gulf of Mexico in the US to Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, and from Cardiff in the UK to Cape Town in South Africa. His influence is not confined to a single continent. It extends across various other continents, including Latin America, North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa.
From Somalia perspective, we are really excited. Climate is something we really see as multidimensional, affecting our health, our economy, our security, and our prosperity. Somalia has joined the Great Green Wall Initiative, and I'm really excited that Somali youth will also be participating in this great conference.
Under Dr. Osman's leadership, several institutions are taking the lead in research and initiatives designed to build climate resilience in the Horn of Africa. With a targeted focus on youth involvement, the institution is setting the stage for Africa's Green Declaration, a pivotal point of discussion leading up to COP28 in December of this year.
First grant I got was $80,000, and which actually kickstarted the institute we founded at that time in 2012. Today we were 2 people, now we are 93 people. And with annual turnover of $10 million, and we are focusing on higher education, climate. We've built efficient procurement systems, efficient financial management, efficient administration that have attracted our government and also regional governments. We are working with AYCA, we are working with African Union. As a youth organization, we are working with our own government, other governments. So I think the point I'm trying to say here is that unless the youth are organized in a modern way, form associations, form centers, form institutions. Institutions talk louder than individuals. So what my advice is that where there is complexity, there is an opportunity. Let's look at that. And the best way we can communicate our ideas, our talents as youth is to form institutions and institutionalize our ambitions.
But Dr. Osman's vision stretches far beyond the Horn of Africa. He's playing a vital role in shaping the discourse among the youth of the continent, from the west to the east and the north to the south. Through strategic collaborations and innovations, he is fostering a new generation committed to renewable energy solutions as a means to combat the climate crisis.
The issue of climate finance and energy finance, they are somehow related. There are already existing and low-hanging financing instruments that I think most of the youth are not aware about. But what we need is basically, number one, to learn them. There are global initiatives, for instance, the Global Environmental Facility, the Adaptation Fund, Green Climate Fund. There are many within the African Development Bank, which are huge facilities for African transformation or green agriculture. There are all these facilities, but how do we access as youth? How do we access? So you cannot access some of these financing instruments need accredited institutions.